gonna be the first day of our first Done For You Donuts Week in Canada. We're in Burlington, Ontario, which is a western suburb of Toronto. I live in Toronto. I haven't been there a lot recently, as you all know. But we got an MSP here in Burlington, Joe Apps, big dog in the area. This is my RAV4. So this is the official donut mobile. I got the Starlink satellite internet. I have a massive 5G cell phone repeater, antenna and repeater in the trunk here from WeBoost that got me gigabit 5G speeds. Let that soak in. I had 1,000 megabits 5G internet speed while I was cruising on the highway. That's faster than the fiber optic internet in my house. That's the idea. We're gonna do 20 to 25 today. I got the tablet mounted down right here. New little tablet mount. You see that there? Got my phone mounted here like usual. Got my USB chargers, everything. Should be ready to rumble. I have the printed scorecards in our little folio, like usual. Bought a brand new Canon printer on the weekend and 32-pound Xerox, little bit of sheen, fantastic paper so far, so good. Immediately ran out of toner with the cartridge that it was supplied with. 4 new high-capacity black toners are coming today to my mom's house. We'll print off the rest of the scorecards. Over this weekend, I built a brand new donut hunting app. Started throughout the week on the plane rides, on the 3 plane rides this week. I'm gonna try it today. Route planning built in using the Google Maps API. The rest of our mapping, live sync to HubSpot. Should be a big day. So we're going to drive 15 minutes. It's 20 to 8. Get the Timbits, which in Canada we call them Timbits. Some people know them as donut holes or munchkins. 20 packs of Timbits, and then go bang some doors. Joe Apps, here come some leads. It's a little fun morning donut banter in the car. Got plenty of gas. We got a tight density of pins. So Joe gave us the green light last Monday. We've had 7 days exactly. Did the whole lead hunter, enrichment, HubSpot setup from scratch. Here's all the steps of the process. I'm just gonna fire them off to you. Joe and I did a jumping high five and he said, do it. He told us that he wants manufacturing, accounting, and legal, 11 to 50 or 51 to 200. That's very common for MSPs, okay? That should all sound familiar. So I use the lead hunting app in the Iceberg Cyber app. I drop a pin right where Joe's office is, and I did a 10-mile radius, like 15 kilometers, 16 kilometer radius, search radius. In that, I put in the associated Google Maps categories for manufacturing, accounting, and legal, which are usually like law firms, legal practices, chartered professional accountants, accounting services, tax services, etc. To find that list, just go to Google Maps regular and search for some companies, and in the company little card, it'll show the search keyword that Google bins them together with. We got about 2,000 results from the lead hunter. Then we run the CyberScore campaign in the Iceberg app. The CyberScore campaign pulls the industry and employee range from LinkedIn. I exported that to a Excel file. Then in Excel, I did some filtering. Like if I don't have the employee range or the industry, I omit them from the filters because I want specifically companies that have a defined LinkedIn employee range, because I don't want to go to super big companies, and I specifically don't want to go to 2 to 10 companies, especially for law firms and accountants, because that's a histogram of their demographics tends towards the small side in my experience. Welcome everyone to the end of day 1. You've been riding along with us today. Day 1, Done For You Donuts in Burlington. First Done For You in Canada. Smooth sailing today. Yeah, solid day. Lessons learned. As I've been doing this in the States and telling clients that I'm coming to do it in Canada, I usually get, you think it's going to be the same in Canada? It's the same. It's the same. Don't let anyone ever tell you differently. There's no better time of day. There's no worse time of day. There's no better people or worse people. There's no snowflake-itis. There's no greener pastures. Everywhere is the same. If you're standing in front of a human being, it's always just as challenging to get them to engage. So I go back to the car and I see 2 people mingling outside. I piece it together. They're having a company barbecue because they're wearing aprons and they have cornhole and like the axe throwing game. It was 4:30 or something and I still had 4 boxes of Timbits left. So I said, y'all having a party? Oh yeah. Who are you here for? And I told them I was here, which company I was here for. They said, that's us. I said, oh, you're having a company barbecue? Yeah, we're having a biannual company party. Everyone's here. I said, oh, beautiful. I came to give you Timbits. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. We start talking. I do the script. They're both in their aprons. Oh my gosh, you gotta come talk to Phil. Come inside. Inside, there's 30 people in like little tables. They're making homemade pasta as part of like a team building experience. Phil's the IT director. Great combo with Phil. This guy's covered in flour. He's been rolling pasta. Great conversation with Phil. I do the cyber score anyways. It's a massive day for us because it's National Donut Day. Woo! Happy National Donut Day. And to celebrate, I have a little celebration gift to celebrate his Done For You Donut Week. Stay tuned for that because you all may have some inclination that I go overboard. I went overboard. And I think he's gonna love it. Long week, 4 hard days, 82 targets in total that we hit. I'm gonna have to double check to see how many engagements, but it would be like 60-ish people that we spoke to. That's really good. We had 5 hot leads, 5 hotties, which is pretty good.